So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be super crucial because in this video I am going to show you everything whatever I am going to do today, right? So that is why I want you to please watch this video until it very end. Okay, so my blog I start from here, from my house, and a few moments later I woke up from the bed and just after walking around outside from my house I just got back home and to my faucet. So now as you can see next to me there is a faucet where I am going to wash my feet and face, right? Means I have already done my washing work, right? So now just after doing that it's time to first I have to clean my teeth, right? So to clean my teeth it will take few minutes to brush up, right? So first of all I'm going to plug a stem of this tree. So here there is a tree called, I don't know the specific name of this tree, right? And its leaf as you can see, and with this stem I am going to plug this stem to clean up my teeth, right? Yes, so right now I just plugged it. Okay, so to clean up my teeth with this stem, right? So first I have to make the bristles at the top of this stem and then I can clean up my teeth, right? So how I am going to make a bristles here? So by chewing my teeth, right? With my teeth. So by chewing through my teeth I'm going to make bristles here at the top, right? Okay, so now as you can see I just made bristle at the top of this stem, right? So before I start cleaning up my teeth, so now as you can see how dirty it is, right? My teeth. But after few moments, just after clean or brush up my teeth, then I will guys again show you. So let me brush up first. Okay guys, so right now I have just done to brush up my teeth, and now as you can see the difference how it was earlier and how it went from dirty to, as you can see the result, right? And by the way it went needless, so that is why I'm going to throw it from here. Yeah, hey, keep us Lalabi. And she's a girl. Every girl have to do this work for the first time in the day, right? Just after waking up from the bed, right? So and the action of doing called she is doing the dishes, right? So for a moment I would like to stop recording because the reason I will have to wash my face and feet, right? Okay guys, so there is one more thing. So before I head to the faucet, so first I would like to take off my sweater because it will be wet if I will wash my face, wearing this sweater, right? So that is why it will be better if I take off this shirt, right? Yes, so right now I just kept it here, and now hurry up because I don't have so much time to spend here. So right now I see she has gone, the girl who was doing the dishes, she has gone right now. So that is why it's my time to head to the faucet. So before I go to the faucet, here if I want I can teach you English by using my sleeves, right? I just swiped off my sleeves of my pants, right? And now head to the faucet, and the process, if I will up down this handle, then this faucet will give us water and you do whatever you would like to do with this water, right? So for now I would like to stop recording guys, because while recording it will be very difficult to wash my face, right? So okay guys, what this is called two of the biscuits, right? This is called biscuits, and this biscuit I'm gonna have it by dipping in this tea. And today my mom made this red tea, right? Because I don't think why today we don't have milk. So actually if we had milk and my mom could make milk tea, but today I don't know why she made red tea, right? So right now I'm going to dip into this tea, right? And then I'm gonna have, and then right now I'm going to feed to my gods. Hey. First one is for you and the next one is for you. Le jodle. Le. Hey. Khalo bas. Hey. Le. So see, but it's so hot. It's hot, right? Actually, it is hot a little bit, so that is why this goat is afraid to eat or drink. Sorry. Okay, let me make it cooler a little bit. Then I'm going to feed her. Okay guys, so right now I have just came here to my crop, and the crop where I was harvesting paddy, right? And the same place I have come here again to tie all of this extra, right? So now as you can see, I have tied here some of the rows. So now as you can see, yesterday and today I'm not going to spend hours a lot because I have to go somewhere, right, at 10 o'clock. So that is why I will stay here for 1 or 1.5 hours, right, around. So just after tying this extra, then I will have to go to somewhere, right? So that is why, okay, so here I want to teach you something, right? And do you guys want to see the process? By the way, it is not possible to show you process, right, of tying this extra, right, because I don't have second person so that I can give my phone to shoot me, right? So that is why. So now as you can see, I have tied this one, so such as I have to tie all of this extra, right, and even this area, right, and here there are some of more, right, areas that I have to tie on. Okay, so right now I would like to stop recording because there are some of the people and who are watching me, and then I'm sure they will be make fun of me, right? So that is why I would like to guys stop recording. And now as you can see, there is a man and who is getting their pets towards river to tie, right? Okay, so right now let me work here and then let's see what I can teach you next, right? So keep on watching. Okay guys, so we just came at 7:30 a.m. right, and right now it's around 9 o'clock, and right now we are going home. Means my father was along with me and we are doing work here. So now as you can see, we have done this entire field, and now also we have moved to this next one. And right now guys, because of not having sufficient time, so that is why it's time to head home. And my dad is going a bit distance, so now as you can see there, right, and right now I am also going home. Okay guys, so now while going home, here I see a bit distant. I'm sure you are able to see a little bit, right? So there are some of the people and they are working, and the work is to thresh their paddy, right? So I'm not sure you are able to see or not the thresher there, right? Yes, and with the thresher they are going to thresh all of these paddy. But one day I will show you, one day or the later, because we will also thresh our paddy into the thresher, right? So at that time I will show you guys. See, my goats are sleeping with each other, right, by supporting. Okay guys, so right now I just grabbed this towel to have a shower into my faucet. She's a girl. Joldi joldi khawara badra. Okay, so here I see my uncle and he has planted cabbage. So right, as you can see here, there are lots of cabbage plants, right, and he has planted, I don't know today he has planted or yesterday, I didn't see him while planting, right? Yes, but I will show you guys, just you subscribe my channel, I will show you when it will be bigger, right? Okay guys, so before I apply oil into my hair, first it is necessary to dry off my hair by shaking with the help of my hand, right? Yes, I think it got completely dry, right? So now it's time to apply oil. So first I will apply oil into my hair, then into my body, then I will comb by using a comb. Okay guys, this tool is called a comb, right? Comb, and with this tool we part our hair, right? Yes, done. Do I look good? Please let me in the comment below. Okay guys, so right now I've just wear this dress. Actually right now I'll have to go somewhere to work, right? And I'm not going to mention here what kind of work I do these days, right? Okay guys, so right now it's time to go outside from house. So that is why I want to stop recording from here. So that's all for today, and bye bye.